Hello everybody, so today I'm going to be doing a video of my Commander Angel ceiling fan. This is just going to be the unboxing, and yeah, I've always wanted one of these ceiling fans for the longest time, even when I was collecting silently and would rarely watch YouTube. And I got the ceiling fan off Facebook Marketplace for $25. It was a very good deal for one of these. I don't know if this has a speed control inside the box. It'd be very cool if it does, but here's the size of the box. It's the same side on this. Yeah. Spin the box, and this is what it looks like on this side. And I'm not going, even though I have a very long phone cable because I'm charging my phone, it is going to be a little difficult, but yeah. Well, now I guess we can get to by cutting these straps open. I don't know if the Commander brand has provide these straps on the box. I don't think so. So I think the original owners just did this. So yeah. Cut some of these straps, and then I guess we'll get to business. Come on, you're almost there. There you go. All right, now time to open it up. Wow, it's still brand new. That. Alright, so when you first open up the box, here is the Blaze Walnut Stencil. And it says it right here. The blades are a little ripped right there, but that's no big deal. It's the records for this fan. Let me hold this the right way. And then back this. And yeah, I guess we'll move this stuff over here. And then here are the instructions for the Commander, instruction guide. So looks like this fan mounts with a J-hook. To be honest, I thought these were ball and socket. Yeah, okay. Now the main event. It looks like, what in the world? Okay. This is a little odd because we have a tassel for this fan, even though this fan is not pull chain, which is very odd if you tell me about it. I'll set that right there. I don't know why a tassel's in the box. Right here we have the J-hook and all like the materials to mount this fan. Just put that over here. Alright, next we have, I'm just going to get everything out before we get onto the fan. Come on. There we go. So we have this. It is a speed regulator. That's pretty cool. Open it up. Let's see where I can open this up, because I don't want to damage the box, because it's pretty cool to have this. To be honest, the box is kind of soft, so hopefully this does not break open. Wow, this is pretty cool. Look at that. Has its own 5-speed Commander choke. It's pretty hard to turn, probably because it's not mounted, but I'll pull it out for you guys. Here it is. It's very cool. I'm very happy to have this fan. Box this back up. And let's get to the main event, which is obviously the motor itself. Okay, there we go. I will show you guys that in a minute, but before I get to that, here are the blade badges. Put these back where they go. Anyways, we have the main event. I don't want to take it out of the wrapping because I'm going to put this fan back in the box. I just want to do the unboxing video. Here's the motor. Pretty cool if you ask me. But yeah, here it is. And I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of the Commander Angel ceiling fan. But yeah, anyways, thank you for watching. See you guys later, and goodbye.